Hello guys, I'm your friend Jeff. Do you know CCD Visual Position Laser Marking Machine? What is the difference from the normal laser marking machine? Now, let me tell you. When the normal laser marking machine working, if the position of the processed material changes, and you want to mark to an accurate position, you need to adjust the text or pattern on the marking software. In this case, it is very trouble. Why can't the location be recognized automatically? The CCD Visual Position Laser Marking Machine introduced today has a visual capture function, which solves the above problems. Today, I will introduce the new machine named CCD Visual Position Laser Marking Machine. It not only has high marking accuracy, but also can identify randomly placed materials and mark on them. Let's take a look at this machine. Our machine uses high-key vision CCD camera. Its imaging quality is high. On the same axis with the laser beam, it can be automatically identified and mark the material. On the two sides is field light. It can ensure that the visual positioning effect is not affected by external lights. When the external light source is unstable, you can turn it on to keep the light source stable, so that the machine can better identify the material. We also designed the backlight panel, which can make the product profile more clear to ensure the accurate position. The marking effect. Next, I will show you the marking process. Let me put the material arbitrary. We can see it can identify automatic. Our machine designed with conveyor belt. It is mainly suitable for marking on products with large workload, difficult to position, workpiece diversity and complexity, such as small screws, jewelry, U-disc.